If you want to set up and use Secure Folder on Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to open Settings. Once you go to Settings, then over here we should be able to scroll down, and we need to find Security and Privacy. Once you go to Security and Privacy, then in here we need to go to More Security Settings, and then here we should be able to find the Secure Folder. Now we need to simply scroll down and go to, well, we need to use the Continue button. Then we need to grant all of these permissions, and then we need to wait for the secure folder to be created. And after a minute or two, you should be able to choose the password for the secure folder. So you can use the password type over here. You can also set up fingerprints, and you can also allow lock reset with Samsung accounts if you want to be able to have an option to reset your password in case you forget it. It is of course recommended to use it. So in my case, I'm gonna set up a simple password, a simple pattern. We need to enter our password twice in order to confirm. There we go. Over here we also have a pop-up about the Samsung account, something that I just mentioned. In my case I don't need it, so I'm gonna tap on Don't Allow. And then let's go next. Then we can choose what should happen when the secure folder gets locked. So we can still allow background activity while the secure folder is locked, for apps of course, or you can just close all apps after locking the secure folder. It's up to you which one you prefer. Then we also have an information about hiding secure folder for privacy. So we can tap on Done once you read that. And there we go. Here we have our secure folder. The secure folder can be found in the app drawer or the apps list. We can easily open it. If you tap on these three dots on the right side, you have the option to, for example, hide apps, to sort them, to lock the secure folder and exit. To hide the secure folder, we can add files to the secure folder, customize it, and we can also check out settings in case you want to make some small adjustments. For example, we can automatically lock the secure folder over here. We can manage that setting, and so on and so forth. We can also change the password, of course. And in case you want to add an app to the secure folder, you can use this plus button. And then we have the list of apps that we have on our phone. So if you want to add something, you can just tap on it over here, add it to the list by using this add button in the upper right corner. And there we go. We have added the app to the secure folder. It has been installed. It hasn't been moved. It has been installed in the secure folder. So this means that the app on my phone outside of the secure folder is still there. And these two apps are completely separated from each other. So for example, this app doesn't contain any data whatsoever right now, and I can set it up in a different way or use a different account, for example. What you can also do is you can go to the Play Store or Galaxy Store. Of course, you will have to sign into a Google or Samsung account, but this allows you to install apps inside the secure folder without having to install these apps on your phone in general first. And whatever you install inside the secure folder, it just stays over there. And that is pretty much it. This is how we can use the secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A27. Leave a like and subscribe.